up, guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm in my car. I actually have some stuff I gotta get done really quick. So today's video is gonna consist of me actually fixing all I can on my car. Like, for example, my axles, they're shot. That's why I'm driving my girl's car, not mine. I have a couple oil leaks, of course. What else? My sway bar links are messed up. My motor mount is horrible. There's just like a bunch of things that I need to fix. So I'm gonna take today as that day to fix it. And my girl's car recently just developed this problem. Her ball joints are really messed up. And they literally sound like hardwood floors, like the squeaky ones, like the bad squeaky ones. I'm gonna see if I can get those fixed as well today. Right now I'm going to school actually to go pick my classes. School starts on like the 15th and it's already, what's today? Today's the 6th and I haven't even picked classes yet or anything. So hopefully I'm not too late, and I'm gonna make my way over there now. And I'm gonna have my buddy Calvin help me out so we can make the job go a lot faster. If you guys didn't know what I was talking about, the squeaking, listen. I'm gonna move my steering wheel now. Listen. That's every time I turn the steering wheel at all. So there actually been a change of plans now. I'm actually in my car now, and it's actually 5:02. The last time I talked to you guys was like probably like around 11ish, so it's been some time now. I forgot to bring you guys along to get the tools, which I bought a lot of tools, but my buddy Calvin, his dad offered their garage for me to work on my car. So instead of me working in my garage, we're gonna go to his garage, which is an actual shop. So it has a lift and everything, which is gonna make the job so much easier, and he has so much tools that we could use. So this job should go by quicker and more efficient. But there's a whole lot of traffic. There was a crash on a major highway by my house, and I hope they're okay. But they caused so much traffic. It usually takes me 15 minutes to get to that shop, but now it's gonna take me like possibly an hour. So wish me luck. I'll update you guys again once I'm there. All right, so we made it safely to the garage. There's Calvin, and this is his dad's shop. That's his car right now. And actually, this is all the stuff I bought at the store that I said I was gonna take you guys, but I completely forgot. Calvin helped me pick it out because I didn't know what to get. But this is for my own garage. So we got, you know, mallets or whatever you want to call that, and then the brand new axles. Well, they're not new. They're new to me because I got them off the Facebook Marketplace. But these are the axles that are gonna go in. And I just got some pretty basic things that I need, or that anybody needs. Like, look, this was a great deal. This was like, I think it was like $5 for 10 electrical tape bundles. This is my motor mount, which I really need to change, and I finally acquired. Look at that. And it comes with a lifetime warranty, baby. Can't get anything better than that. Got some gloves because I don't want to dirty my hands. Whoa. Who's pulling up?
What the hell is that?
Oh yeah, these are, let me turn this on for you, the light. Where's it? This is the nasty axles that we're gonna be changing. Yeah, I have a crazy oil leak, but that's all gonna get fixed as well. I need to buy all the gaskets. But then after that, we need to do something about these nasty stock suspensions. But we have something coming for that. It just hasn't arrived yet. So I'll keep you guys updated in a bit. Damn, you know, that freaking boot already comes with you.
Oh my goodness, that was back on it.
that we are on our way. I need to say, what used to keep us back were just excuses made to not change. You say, I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to...
All right, so these are the old ones. As you can see, they're all messed up. Look at the boot, completely destroyed. So luckily I got new ones. And they're all rusty and nasty, but the new ones, still rusty and nasty, but they're new. The boot is finally completely intact. Teeth perfect, everything's perfect. This, since I got off Facebook Marketplace, the guy said he had it in his truck, so that's why it got a little rusted, but it was still in the bag that it originally came in, so I believed him. But now it's time to install them, and then after, do some burnouts.
And I love doing axles. The most easiest job ever.
All right, since these are a little bit hard to put in, we're gonna lube it up. Ooh, lube me up, baby.
All right, no, that's foul. Wow.
We can't even see.
Yeah. They're just rusty, you know. It's a 98 Integra. Ooh. Oh man. You hear that?
That's what good.
Alright. And that's what you call a brand new stiff ass upper control arm. I should just popped up open.
I don't think I told you guys this, but yeah, I got new upper control arms. And we installed those. And then what else did we get? We obviously got new brake pads, brake rotors. We got a new hub, right? But that was a while ago. And that's about it. But let's keep going with this axle installation. All right, so this is my passenger side axle. As you could see, the boot broke.
Shit fried.
And yeah, it is literally fried. And all that axle grease got all over my caliper, and luckily I had a heat shield here. But it's literally all black because of all the grease. And luckily we got new axles because that's what we're changing. All right, so
ooh, that light is beaming. There we go.
Good. So this is not what an axle is supposed to look like. This is the inside of an axle, and you're never supposed to see that. And clearly,
bro, this is bad.
It's horrible.
This is bad.
Mina, you want to get dirty?
That is terrifying.
Yeah, I could have died, guys. That's what happens.
So what's wrong with this picture,
I
man?
mean, it's not the point that you, can't even say it might have popped up while you're driving, to be honest.
I don't know.
Bro,
You make that like 650 all-wheel horsepower.
hitting that VTEC, I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Yeah, VTEC life.
Money shifting, 30 second.
Whoa, I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, take it easy.
He's lying. He's lying.
Alright, let's cut this camera. Dude.
Yeah, let me see some arm curls right there, man.
Hey, dude, let me see that.
Planet Fitness workout.
Oh yeah, look at those reps. Look at those biceps, those triceps. God, how much that shit weigh?
500.
Damn.
All right, so quick update. Wait, I currently have the heat on over there. So we're actually trying to get to the little mount that I bought, which is all the way back here, literally right. Let me see if I could. It's like right there in that area somewhere. But we're actually going to take out now the intake manifold to make our life easier. So hopefully we could get this done quick, because it's already 9:56 and I'm trying to go home. Yeah, we're gonna quickly take that out and see how it goes. I'm not gonna record much of that because it actually is gonna take a while for us. You know, I'll probably do like a little time lapse and then show you the finished product. So be back in a bit. so I'm back with another update. It's currently 11:47 now. We took off the intake manifold, right? Oh, that's super brake. We took off the intake manifold to take off the motor mount, which is literally right there, as you can see. Oh, wait. Oh, don't do that. That one, literally, right there. That's the motor mount we're going for. Yep. And it was a hassle. Super hassle. We had to take all this off. Half of my coolant is all over the ground.
Sorry, we got you.
And my knees hurt. His knees hurt. It's cold. And this just turned on. I don't know if it has any more fuel, but it's going on for now, so I'm pretty hyped. So I'll let you guys know what happens after everything is done and see how far we get in however long we take. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this motor mount right there is the one that replaces that one. We're pretty sure. Hold up. We're pretty sure that's the one. Yeah, pretty sure that's the one because we went to AutoZone and asked for that specific mount. And I looked at it beforehand, so you never know. So, I'll keep you guys informed. Alright, so we finally got everything off.
At least the bracket off.
Yeah, the bracket, which is this stupid bracket right here, causing all the problems. It was freaking stuck between some other stuff that you need, and yeah.
All the bullshit you need.
Well, anyways, you guys ready? This is my motor mount.
Let's see how bad this
If
is.
Calvin moves his hand. Let me try to get you guys in
I
there.
can move this.
Hold on.
This is in the way. It's gonna keep moving this way. The fuck?
I got it. This is my motor mount.
Okay. Right here. I got you.
This is my motor mount. You shouldn't be able to do that with a motor mount. Look at that.
Oh shit. That's crazy.
That's my motor mount.
Okay. Well.
There you go. Look at that. Snapped completely on both ends. It's supposed to be like this. See? Completely one unit. Can't move that at all. At all. But no. It's in pieces over here. You see it? Now time to install a new one. And hopefully I don't feel that. Well, no, this is not hopefully. I know I'm not going to get the same result from this and this.
No more of that. No more of that. Oh, you fixed the whole motor.
Yeah, every time I accelerated and then like decelerated, you felt it through the firewall. Just the whole engine just hit it, just boom, boom. But oh my god, GG in the chat.
Wow, bro. Now that's on camera. Wow, bro. That was my fault because I was wow! And you didn't let me turn it on. Now you gotta go, wow, beep, wow, wow. Alright. Because that stuff is going again? You gonna say it again? You know what? Alright, so my man's over here got the car running. He really know what's up with it. We're definitely done for the night. That was a really tough job, to be honest. I ain't going front. I made of it. Look at it. It's still cold, and you're gonna go ahead and rub my car. Yeah. But anyways, guys,
Alright guys, so we did everything successfully, sort of. As you can see, I'm already in my car. I'm kind of already going home. It's literally, let me see. 4:45 now in the morning. We got done like around 3 something, and then we went to the diner after that because we got hungry. But I started smoking on the way to the diner, and we found out that we actually forgot to connect one of the coolant hoses that's like right next to the throttle body. It's such a small error, but I thought my motor was gonna be a goner. I was about to get a rip in the chat, if you know what I'm saying. But then we actually found that which was the missing hose, and then we connected it, got it all situated, and then on the way back my car started overheating like crazy, so I'm pretty sure all the coolant is dumped out. So I stopped at a gas station, got myself some coolant here right now just for I could have something to get home with. So I'm currently just sitting on the side of the road, kind of waiting for the car to cool down for I could pour the coolant in, for I don't, for it doesn't like explode as soon as I open it, so it's not a good idea, so don't, but anyways, thank you guys for sticking around till the end. If you did, you're the best. I love you, and please subscribe, comment, and of course like the video. And pretty soon we're gonna keep getting more content. It's 2020, so I'm trying to make it big this year. I'm trying to at least reach 1,000+ subs, which is hard, but at the same time, it's an obtainable goal. Okay, me and you, us together, you right now watching on the screen, tell your friends, anybody, subscribe, please. Thank you. Peace out, and remember, let's make this happen.